kind of got to the point where it was really hard to eat. So that's kind of when I was like, okay, I need to do something now. I could deal with the pain. The pain wasn't too bad, but it was just like, there was a lot of grinding and crunching in my jaw, and I could hear it all the time, which was a little uncomfortable. But yeah, it was mostly just eating and it getting locked when I ate, and it was pretty scary. Or when you wake up in the morning and I have to put my fist to my jaw to push it back into place. Just a lot of weird stuff, and it was just really uncomfortable.
My whole family is doctors and dentists. So it's very, very commonly believed when you have a problem, you try to find a pill for it. And if it's a bad enough problem, you'll have some kind of major surgery where you need to be put out. And
I really didn't want to have surgery, and I figured there had to be another option out there. And I went to my dentist, and they recommended me to Dr. Shirazi, and I came in, and I had no idea what to expect, and it was kind of crazy, but it ended up working out.
With Robert, what's really clear and concise with him is that it was purely a jaw issue. It was a mechanical, orthopedic jaw issue.
I was kind of expecting to go at like a normal doctor checkup, but like he started bringing out all these things like the lasers and the ejections and all the ways that they monitor how your bite and everything like that when you first come in. So it was definitely different than I expected.
With Robert, which was very typical, was he woke up with a lockjaw. And most mornings, not every morning, but then he'd have to maneuver it to kind of get it to open and be able to function throughout the day, even to just brush his back teeth. And he just naturally assumed that he must have been a surgical case because chewing food was even extremely challenging. Most of the time, that's not the case. We can actually address it in a very conservative fashion before the option of surgery is put on the table.
I really like tri-tip sandwiches, so like it's one of my favorite food, but like it's like thick and hard to eat. So like when I would take a bite, I wouldn't be able to eat it. So now I can eat whatever I want. It doesn't lock ever. It's pain-free. I mean, honestly, it's complete 180. So I feel like I have a total success story because it's like totally different from how it was before.